Have you ever tried to take high notes and your voice cracked? Or have you tried taking low notes and nothing came out? Well, today I'm going to teach you how to take both high and low notes safely without straining, without shouting, and without harming your voice. I'll be using a cappella examples so you can practice anywhere. If you love singing and you want to improve your voice, please make sure you watch till the end because the final exercise is gonna help you take both high and low notes smoothly. Hi, my name is RJ, helping you sing better. Let's get to it. Well, before we sing, let me quickly explain why high and low notes might seem difficult. Well, high notes are hard because most singers push from the throat instead of allowing the sounds to rise freely. Then low notes might seem hard because singers lose breath support and let the sound collapse. Now, singing is not about force, it's about balance. High notes need space and control, while low notes need support and grounding. Well, we'll help you fix them both. Never use sing high or low notes in a cold voice. Now let's warm up together. We're going to start with gentle humming. So we're going to hum low to mid range. Now let's go. Again. Again, let's go. Make sure you are feeling the vibration. What this does is that it wakes up your vocal cords without stress. Next is the lip trill. All you have to do is do a brr or you blow air through your mouth. So let's go. Brr, 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 brr. You can do it. Try again. Let's go. Brr, 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 brr. Now, if your voice feels relaxed now, then you did the right thing. Well, let's start with low notes because they need stability. Low notes need stability. Now, the key rule for taking low notes is that you do not push down your voice. Instead, you take your voice as if it is resting. You don't push down. It is like a resting phase. Now, tips for taking low notes. You need to relax your jaw, keep your chest open, and then take a deep breath before you sing. Now let's take an example. Oh, oh, oh. You see, it's low. I'm not keeping my voice down. It's just like a resting phase. I'm very comfortable. Oh, 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 oh. You get that? Notice I'm not forcing it. If the sound disappears, that's okay. You can stop and reset. Now we're going to practice with the phrase, say something, I'm giving up on you. It's a low note, so take it low and gentle. Remember, low notes need air flow and support. Now let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Say something, I'm giving up on you. You see? Not difficult, right? Let's go again. 1, 2, ready, go. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Can you do that? Let me hear you. Okay. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Okay, now that's that. Now, let's move over to high notes. Now, the biggest mistakes that most singers make when they want to take high notes is shouting. When you want to take high notes, you don't shout. High notes work out when it's lighter and not louder. Now, the technique tips for taking high notes is this. You have to lift your soft palate like you're yawning. You need to keep your neck relaxed and let the sound float upward. Now let's take a high note using ah. Now let's go. Ah, 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 ah. While I'm doing that, my neck is still relaxed. You get it? My neck does not feel any tension at all, but my soft palate is lifted and my mouth is open, giving me enough space to sing it. No straining, no shouting, just you opening your vocals, raising your soft palates, and letting the sound float upward. Now, let's use a practice phrase. You know this song, Never Enough? We're going to use a phrase from that song, All the Shines of a Thousand Spotlight. Now, that's a high note in that song. If it cracks, smile. Cracking means you're learning. Now, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. All the shines of a thousand spotlights. Let's go again. All the shines of a thousand spotlights. All the shines of a thousand spotlights. All the shines of a thousand spotlights. Like I said, if it cracks, smile. It means you're learning. The real magic happens when you slide your voice from high to low and from low to high. Now let's do a little slide exercise. We're going to use woo, W-O-O. That's what we're going to use. Now we're going to go from low to high and then low again. Okay, let's go. Woo. Again. Ooh. Let's go again. You can do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh. You get it? Now, this teaches your voice control and flexibility. Very important. Now, we're going to do a demo using an a cappella from the song All of Me. We're going to pick a part where we can transition from low to high. So I'm going to pick that part that says, you're my end and my beginning downwards. Okay, now let's go. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning. 'Cause I'll give you all of me. And you give me all of you. Oh. You get it? You see the transitioning? You see it? I'll give you all of me. And you give me all of you. So this is how singers safely move across their range. Practice makes perfect. So let me quickly tell you what not to do. Do not strain your neck, don't force volume, don't practice when your throat hurts. Singing should not be painful, you should feel free. So if this video helped you, please do well to click on the like button, subscribe, comment and share. See you in the next video. Keep singing!